Hello everyone. Welcome to MindSphere. We're diving into an interesting and slightly stomach-challenging topic today. Raw meat. So, have you ever eaten raw meat? Maybe sashimi, a rare steak, or even something more extreme like raw horse meat. In some places, these are delicacies. But certain raw meats, like raw chicken or pork, are considered very dangerous. So, why can some meats be eaten raw while others must be fully cooked? Let's find it out. First, let's see, why do humans prefer cooked food? In the earth, humans are the only species that systematically cook their food. Early humans likely survived on raw food, but archaeological evidence suggests that humans began using fire around 1.7 million years ago, and true cooking techniques emerged about 200,000 years ago. Since then, cooked food has been the norm in our diets. Cooking makes food easier to digest and reduces the risk of bacteria and parasites. But if that's the case, why can wild animals eat raw meat without getting sick, but we are prone to food poisoning? Actually, our stomach acid is incredibly strong, with a pH value of about 1.5, which is even stronger than that of lions and tigers. So why can't we eat raw meat like they do? There are three key reasons. First, differences in intestinal length. Carnivores have short and much shorter digestive tracts, meaning food passes through quickly before bacteria and parasites have a chance to multiply. On the contrary, humans have much longer intestines, allowing food to linger longer, which creates a perfect environment for bacterial growth. Second, different eating habits. Wild animals eat freshly hunted meat, while human-consumed meats usually undergo processing, transportation, and storage, thus giving bacteria a chance to grow. Also, the complexity of handling meat increases the risk of contamination. Third, variations in immune systems. The fact is, wild animals have evolved strong immune systems to fight off pathogens. However, humans live and have been living long in cleaner environments, making our immune systems less adapted to handling the bacteria in raw meat. But you may ask, why are some raw meats being safe for us to eat? Frankly speaking, not all raw meats pose the same level of danger. Some, like sashimi, beef, and horse meat, are considered safer to eat. Here's the reasons. First, for seafood. Many marine parasites cannot survive in the human body. Moreover, seafood is often flash frozen before consumption, and freezing at -20 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, can effectively kill most parasites. Second, for beef and horse meat. The muscle fibers in beef and horse meat are more compact and contain less moisture, making bacterial growth less likely. However, even so, raw beef should still be handled carefully. Often, the outer layer is removed or seared to kill surface bacteria. Nevertheless, raw pork and chicken are significantly riskier due to their high likelihood of carrying parasites and pathogens. So, why are raw pork and chicken so dangerous? First, for pork. Pigs are omnivores and are more prone to parasitic infections, such as tapeworms. Also, pork can also carry hepatitis A and other harmful viruses. Second, for chicken. Raw chicken commonly contains Campylobacter and Salmonella bacteria, and even a small amount of contamination can cause severe food poisoning. What if you're a fan of raw food? How to make it safe for enjoying your favorites? Now, here are some safety tips. First, buy from reputable sources to ensure quality and safe handling. Next, ensure proper preparation by freezing to kill parasites or using high-heat surface treatment to eliminate bacteria. By the way, eating raw meat can be delicious and safe if it's done correctly. Stay informed, stay cautious, and enjoy your meals. It's up to here today. Let's explore more on our next session. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Don't forget to let me know whether you are into eating raw meat and whether you have encountered any issues because of this. Thank you very much for supporting us. See you next time, stay safe.